Uncle Mayonnaise!
Josh, what's up,
man? You know, my favorite day of the week. You know what I mean? What's going on?
I knew you had a busy schedule with the music.
What's going on, man? It's your boy Josh Jackson.
Chef Manny.
And we on That Guy Could Cook. This is a special occasion because it happens to be a holiday. What holiday is it?
Juneteenth.
And we like to celebrate everybody that made it possible to make it a federal holiday. Shout out to the whole White House, Congress, and everybody that played their part. Now, to the food, this looks like it's gonna have a little something, something. The guy that's trying to make you cry. Thought I told you in my other song. We got some fancy stuff on this table. You know you be putting me on. So tell us what we got going on
Today, Josh, we gotta make what you call a mushroom asparagus frittata.
Okay.
Frittata is a staple in all Italians' home.
Italiano. Okay, okay. Got it. So, zoom in on the camera. Let's pull up on this green stuff. What's this green stuff?
We have here, we got some beautiful fresh asparagus.
Asparagus looks like a little dragon tail. Boom, what's this?
And this is creamy mushrooms. Or
creamy mushrooms. Yes. Wow, what's this?
And you have here about 10 eggs, free-range eggs.
Okay, so those are eggs, yes. Free-range eggs. And what seasonings we got going on?
Here we have what the Asian use a lot. It's really healthy for it, called Shiso.
Shiso.
Chopped Shiso.
Okay,
let's see how beautiful the little herbs is.
I just want to eat, man. I'm just playing, man. The beauty stuff looks cool too. What's this little stuff? Cheese?
And we have some Parmesan cheese.
Okay, I know that. And that looks like
some
scallions.
Green scallions.
Wow. Is that my favorite salt?
Exactly, that one that gives you that extra kick.
Boom, bow.
Trinidad and Scorpion sea salt. It's a gourmet sea salt.
You got some thyme.
You got some dry thyme.
You got some
black pepper.
And
some olive oil.
And that's.
And the last one is
creme
fraiche.
Creme fraiche. Alright, so we making asparagus mushroom frittata. Frittata. Okay, I'm gonna get you. Get going, hurry up, because you know, brother's hungry. Let's get to it. How long is this whole process going to take us?
Well, the prep time is about maybe 15-20 minutes to chop up all those different vegetables. But to make it, it's going to take us about 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes.
So you want to start dipping in some of these ingredients? What we do?
First, what we do is, we got this grated Parmesan, fresh Parmesan, right? You add that in there. That's about a quarter of a cup.
Okay, quarter cup of Parmesan. I'm gonna remember that.
We're gonna add 2 tablespoons
creme
fraiche, right?
Wow. Let's get it up.
But you add that.
Dragon.
Then you add, no, we're not gonna add that. You add a little sea salt. You add about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of sea salt.
Okay, make sure you make it nice and salty for the salt.
Right.
All right.
So now, I don't know if you want to do it, Josh. You gotta
of course.
You know,
what's up with the eggs? Now get fancy now.
You mix it.
Watch out now.
Blend it a little bit.
Yeah.
Make sure that the yolk, you see the beautiful orange yolk. That's why
it's only too beautiful.
It's nice to get fresh eggs.
It looks, but why does your eggs look different than my eggs?
Because you're probably not buying the organic free-range eggs.
Organic free-range
eggs.
Okay, I got to eat regular eggs, boy. I'm on a budget. That guy can cook. That guy's on a budget. Hold on now. This hurt my wrist now. You know I got a piano wrist. Hold on.
Alright, very good. So now you whisk everything together. The creme fraiche.
Alright.
The cheese. Everything else together with the sea salt, right?
Eggs definitely look different than my eggs, though. I'm gonna get into that.
It's a nice blend together, right? And now we're gonna saute our beautiful vegetables.
Alright, let's do it. So far we got the eggs going on. He said he's about to salt the vegetables. Let's move over to the stove. We at the stove. Your boy, Josh Shanks, Chef Manny, about to get crazy on That Guy Can Cook. Let's get to it.
Okay, what we do first is make sure you have a skillet, non-stick, or you could use whatever you have at home. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna saute these mushrooms together, right?
That's a lot of mushrooms. Let's go.
Well, mushrooms has water in it. They reduce when you saute it, right?
This is a great meal to make on Juneteenth, y'all. We're celebrating.
Okay.
Mushroom
We're gonna saute this
Asparagus
mushroom for about maybe
frittata.
3-4 minutes. And then we put a little bit of olive oil. I just what I use about maybe.
Ooh, get up on that. Get up on that
teaspoon of
olive oil. Let that
olive
pan
oil.
hit.
It is-
Okay.
It's a beautiful olive oil.
It's beautiful. Everything beautiful.
Nice. Nice and fresh and clean.
Okay, Chef Manny. Uncle Manny with the pot board. Ooh. Smelling good. It's smelling real good. It's looking good and smelling good. And I think you guys are gonna be able to make this at home. This one looks like a real simple one. Uncle
Yes, it
Manny.
is. Yes.
I think they're gonna be able to make this at
And
home.
the beautiful, Josh, the beautiful thing about frittata,
Okay.
especially for an artist who's always on the go,
All right.
you could make that and keep it in your fridge.
Got it.
You could have it for breakfast,
And that's important.
you could have it for lunch,
That's important.
and you could have it for dinner.
And I think it's super cool because time is really not something that we have as an artist, like you mentioned. So if I can get a quick, healthy meal, quick, keyword quick, then that's even better.
Quick and healthy.
Quick and healthy. You can't go wrong with that.
You can't go wrong with that, yeah.
How's your day been going?
Been going good.
All right.
Besides stuck in traffic for over 3 hours,
I know, man. It's been a
but
grind.
I'm happy to be here.
Thank you, man. I think everybody's appreciating what we got going on.
All right.
So let's get to it. What's
Now you
next?
see the mushroom is nice and soft, right? You gotta make sure your vegetables are nice and soft, John.
All right.
So now we're gonna toss the asparagus in there.
Wait.
We're gonna do the same thing, right?
I look like something out of the show Lord of the Rings.
Yeah?
Nah, I'm just playing. It look like a beautiful
good.
pot.
All right.
Do not try. No, I'm just playing. It tastes good. You've been 100 for 100.
All right.
Everything tastes good.
Okay, see? Make sure everything's nice and soft.
What's next?
So I
Scallion?
had a little scallion.
Boom. Okay. Mix it up. This gonna be good.
Yeah,
I can't wait. Don't worry about that. We eating good tonight, baby.
scallion.
That guy can cook, and
And-
that guy can eat.
And this is my favorite herb,
All right.
Shiso.
Shiso.
It's got a nice
Shiso
minty
lit.
flavor to it. The Asian
So
use
lit.
that a lot.
She's so lit.
Just that, you dump it in there.
I'll make a song for you with that.
Right?
She's so lit. She's so lit. She's so.
And there you go, Josh. We're gonna add a little bit. You see how simple it is? We add a
For
little
the
bit,
salters.
a little sea salt in
Okay.
there.
For the salt.
Salted the vegetables together,
Wow.
right?
Loving the style. Put it up right there on that thing. Let that thing come out there. Let that smell come in. Come in. Come in. All right.
Right.
This is a very, very interesting milk.
Then
right
we
here.
add a teaspoon of dry
Thyme.
thyme.
Little time for the lime.
That's fine to give it a little flavors. Right?
All right. What's next? We let that thing marinate.
Everything is nice and soft. The vegetables getting nice and soft.
Can't wait to eat that thing.
See? And then
The eggs.
you put your eggs in there.
So you gonna just dump all them eggs in there?
Yep. So that's the mixture of the cheese and the creme fraiche, right?
And that makes the frittata.
That makes it frittata.
Wow.
Right?
I'm excited, y'all. So,
And then when you have it in there, you kind of mix them all together a little bit to get all
Looks really
everything
good.
together.
it smells good and it looks good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Doing a great
That's
job.
Good stuff here.
Came up
So
with
you
a
guys-
recipe. Wow.
Mix it up a little bit. Right?
All
See
right.
the eggs start coming together.
Damn.
Now you stuck it in the oven for
This
about
one-
15 minutes.
You just gonna put it with the pot?
Yep.
Wow.
This is an oven safe pot.
Wow.
Skillet.
All right. As long as
Then you
want-
stick it in there for 15 minutes. And you come back in 15 minutes. We have a beautiful mushroom asparagus frittata.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you how this tastes. Trust me, he's been 100 for 100 this whole time. Chef Manny, Josh X, that guy could cook. We be back.
Thank you.
15 minutes. Beat it. It's been 15 minutes. Let's see what this thing looks like.
All right, go. It's about maybe 10-15 minutes. We check it out. Now it's 10 minutes. It
All
looks
right.
like it's good.
All right, it's looking
So
good.
after 10 minutes, good.
Wow.
Hey, look at this.
Wow.
Right?
All right. So, we are ready to go. This
You
thing
let it
is
settle,
delicious.
cool for
How
a
long
few
you gonna
minutes.
let it cool for? I'm trying.
Doesn't matter. You can eat right now if you want to.
Yeah, I'm trying to eat right now. You crazy? I eat. That guy
Just like a pizza, right? Look.
Hold on.
See that?
Dum, dum, dum,
It's a
dum, dum,
courseless quiche or an omelet. Right?
That is incredible.
Be careful. It's hot.
It's the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth.
There you go.
All right.
Let's
This
see what
is
you
the
think,
moment of
Josh.
truth. Okay. You got me? You got me? Hold on.
Feeling it, huh?
Whoa. That has a little bit of heavy kick I need. It's not too salty. It's got enough spice in it. And I'm out of here. You killed it. Once
Thank you,
again, Chef Manny. That guy cook is so good. I gotta get real quick. Follow us on YouTube. That guy can cook 100. That guy can cook 100 on Instagram. And we'll see you next week. I'm taking my egg frittata and I'm out of here. Peace.
When you was not around, I was there. I was missing you, babe. I was keeping so busy out of town.